Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's Tuesday. I'm out here just for the day. Got a nice nature behind me, nice river. I believe it's the Snoqualmie River. I'll have to check to make sure, but gonna do a fire, gonna make some lunch. Yeah, enjoy the day, a few hours outing. I can't do anything about the noise in the background. I do apologize. I don't have the audio set up to reduce the background, but I can sit and listen to river noise all day. I mean, there's something about it. But man, it's cold out here. Whew. Well, I'm chill, but I did just get out of a warm car, so. But I'm definitely feeling the chill. So. I was surprised because the road that took me up here was paved. The last time I was here, I just shot one of my first videos up the road. Maybe I'll link it below so you can see. But and 3 dogs just came in to camp. So yeah, I shot one of my first videos here. I shot a couple of videos here. But I didn't come out here for a long time because of the potholes were just unbelievable. 4, 5, like 6 dogs running by. So yeah, I can get the fire going. I'm gonna warm up. I get a hot brew going, get my lunch cooking. One thing I'm very happy about is there's really hardly any trash. I mean, there's a couple things in the fire which I'll take with me, but fortunately, I brought my own wood, so it's nice and dry. So I'm gonna go to the car and get that out. I didn't really want to wait for the coals, so I just went ahead and threw a stove on. I don't normally put so much wood on, but I decided to splurge a little bit. I usually keep my fires pretty minimal, but given the chilly factor, and it's just nice having a fire, I decided to stack a little bit more on. I got a whole box I can burn up, so no big deal. Trangia is just not getting the job done. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but the flame is kind of leaning clear over. Doesn't feel very windy, but I don't really have a wind block. I forgot to bring one, so I just gave up on the stove and I moved the kettle over to the fire. I'll just let that burn out. Actually, I have a little thing I can drop on there to snuff it, but I didn't bring one with me, so I wasn't thinking about it. So I'm just running the kettle on the fire. finally getting a little sun popping through. It's really dark in this spot. It's probably between 12 and 1. I'm just now getting sunshine, which is nice. Just finished lunch. Separate video. It was good. I'm gonna let my fire die down, douse it with water, and then pack it up and head home because I gotta work tomorrow. So it's been a good day though. It's been enjoyable. I needed this. Needed to burn something. Needed some Bannock. You just don't get to sit at home watching TV. I was making the rounds and I happened to find this whatever it is just laying on over by that tree. That would be a great little, I mean it's a bit big, but it'd be a nice little pot stand. I'm totally taking this. One person's trash is now my trash.